What up, crypto lovers and enthusiasts? Happy day today. Bitcoin over 100,000 right now as we speak. Where can it go? What can it do? It's going much higher, obviously, but in the short term, we're areas of support and resistance. We're going to take a look at that, and then we're going to take a look at some altcoins. We're going to take a look at IQ, which has moved strongly. I hope some of you people have been listening to the calls, not even the calls, just the coins that I've been putting in your attention. IQ, Bro, Miggles, and Agency. Let's take a look at those altcoins, those meme coins, AI tokens. And so without further ado, let's do this. All right, so Bitcoin right here. Okay, December 30th might have been the local low. Okay, might have been the local low, and it could be that in the next 12 months we never see 91,000 or 90,000 for the duration of this next 12 months, for the duration of this final part of the cycle, the parabolic part of the cycle. It could be, right? Let's take a look at areas of support or resistance. Currently where it's at, I would like to see Bitcoin have close above this line right here, which would be 101,155. Okay, that's ideally what I would like to see. Okay, if we can't, and then these next couple of days we fail to break above it and hold bodies above it, then I could see us coming back down to the bottom part of this channel, which would be 96,782. I don't know that we wick too much below it, maybe, but I don't think so. Okay, it's December. People are probably feeling. I mean, September. It's January 6, 2025. People are probably feeling bullish, optimistic about the year. You know, everyone's gung-ho. I could see us having a really strong up January, especially after these last, well, minus this last 7 days. Previous to these past 7 days, the last 13 days, where Bitcoin had been dropping, right? To me, the areas of resistance are kind of more important. Okay, the first one, 107,354. I'd like to see us above that. Okay, the next area of resistance would be 105,518, and then after that, it would be 109,101. Okay, breaking that, we are going much higher, much faster. Okay, probably doing a next leg up before consolidation. Where that next leg up ends, I could see us in the 120. Yeah. Range. Remember, we have another 10-12 months. Okay, so we could slow grind too. Okay, we could spend a couple of days trying to break through and build bodies up above this line right here. Okay, more than likely, I could see us this week somewhere up here, up here. All right, so get your buys in, guys. Get your buys in. That's Bitcoin. Okay, trying to get back to the top of this, essentially this channel. But first, we're seeing resistance right here. Hopefully, we can break it, as I mentioned. Okay, so that's that. Let's take a look at what else is going on. DXY, finally we can see the dollar hopefully starting to drop. Hopefully this was it, but we'll see. We'll take it day by day. You know, I thought here, nothing so far. This thing continues to go up. Obviously we don't want to see that if we want to see Bitcoin get really parabolic, which it will. Dow Jones, finally some green. NASDAQ, finally some green. 2 days it gained back 4 days of losses. Okay, keep that in mind. All right, these things happen quick. S&P 500, although it gapped, finally some green. Good. So now we can understand Bitcoin doing its thing. All these things are correlated. Make no mistake about it. All right, so quickly, Bitcoin dominance bouncing off of right here. Let's see what's going on. Does Bitcoin dominance go above this, or was this the local high? I think so, but to break, we'd have to see. We'd have to really get past this. Look, just doing a quick crude line. Okay, touches. Yeah, I would say something like that. So we'd have to break above a dominance of 57%, clearly above, all right, to try to go back up to the 60%. I think we just want to see this higher, as high as possible, so that when it does drop, the altcoins can just go crazy, parabolic. But altcoins, looking at others, clearly moved out of this triangle for now, and looking like it wants to go higher. Love that. This looks really nice. I like that. Hopefully we touch up here. I think we will to close to 500 billion market cap, and once we break that, we're breaking that. We're going to trillions. Okay, let's take a look at some altcoins. One that I'm going to start with that I mentioned to you guys a few weeks ago, a couple weeks ago. I mean, these things are all new, 2 months old. I mentioned to you, yeah, a couple weeks ago here. okay, which was, this thing was in the millions. Now it's at 36.9 million. Hope some of you guys are paying attention. All right, 15.5 million in volume, and look at this huge candle right here today. Boom, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. IQ 6900 on Solana, 36 million. This is I think can go much higher. I mean, you know, its peers are 50, 100 million or more. So I mean, this thing can go higher. Okay, infrastructure plays. I would think can go into the 100 millions and into the billions, as we've seen with these AI agent, and AI infrastructure plays. This AI meme coin plays. All right, so that's IQ 6900. Great chart. Obviously now you wait for a pullback, right? Wait for some green. Wait for some red. All right, consolidations won't last forever. Will we see this? Possibly, but I think maybe less, shorter duration, a few days. Maybe it drops more from here. Okay, we'll see. This is just on the 4-hour chart. This is what it looks like on the daily. This is what it looks like on the hour. Right now, consolidation after that move up. But let's see how long that consolidation lasts. All right. Hopefully, some of you guys are already in this. Quant AI agent, I like it. Oh wait, no, this is not. We'll save this for tomorrow. But look at that. That's a nice little move right there, huh? Bro is one that I want to bring your attention, because I think Bro is at a really strong area of interest to buy, although it could go lower, right? It could lose the 786 and do something like here, right? Kind of bodies below it and wicks below it right here, which would bring it down to like 12, 13, 14, 15 cents. I'd be buying there. I'd be buying right now at 786, because we don't know, this thing could reverse course, or it could kind of just hang out right here, you know. So I mean, buying it right now is more or less as good as it could get, maybe with some wicks if you're lucky to catch that. But Bro, position yourselves on Bro. See, after this move up, right, finally consolidation below the 618 and the 786. So I mean, this is a good area to buy. Even if it goes lower to 12 cents, it's at 18 cents. Just nibble. DCA, position yourself well. Bro is on base. Neurobro by Virtuals. I talked to you guys about this one. This one also I brought to you guys. Oh, man, I'm good at picking crypto, man. I really am. Bringing it down here when it was 3 or 4 million. It went as high as 30 million. It's at 18.2 million, and now again it's at a good buy area. It's as good, more or less, as it's going to get. 983,000 in volume. Definitely one to look at. Neurobro by Virtuals AI agent, guys. Okay, what's the other one? Oh yeah, who could forget about this bad boy? Miggles IP coin. Miggles IP coin, intellectual property coin. And recently I've been seeing more and more of that little catchphrase IP. And Miggles already has the ones that I mentioned. Toshi, Kikat, Dog, and Me already have that stuff. But Miggles, let's analyze this little chart right here where we're at. 0.068 cents. Okay, strong support right here as I see it. This on January 2nd, as I thought, proved to be the bottom, proved to be a reversal candle. Okay, and interestingly enough, it's right here with this intersecting lines are right. So I mean, shows some strength right there in terms of support. Could we come back and touch this line? Yeah, for sure, we could definitely do that. What happened last time we touched here? Similar setup, and then we went and did something like that, okay, to the top of this triangle, where the top of the triangle would be represented by 21 cents, but 21 cents, okay. First, we have to break out of this, which the area right now resistance would be 8 cents, 0.085 cents, okay. Once we break out of here, then yeah, we're going up here, okay, something like this again, okay. So it could take it in the next couple of weeks. I think we could do something like that. Let's see what happens though. First, the fight is right here, okay. It could reverse right back and touch, boom, right. It doesn't have to be exactly like this, but something similar, right. But again, support 6 cents, resistance 0.85, and then top of that resistance, the final part, the triangle part, 21 cents, guys. Okay, I could definitely see that short term. Miggles is going to kill it. It's going to kill it. It's going to kill it. This thing has amazing numbers. I would definitely be buying right here. Okay, Miggles, and the final one, agency. I like this one. Okay, I use this one when I have, because I'm always analyzing, but I mean, it's cool to get a second opinion, and I get a third opinion as well from these things now. I use quant and I use agency. I like agency more than the ones that I use, just because they do a little bit more in depth. They give a little bit more information, and it's consolidating right now. Okay, after this move up 15. I think I was bringing it to your attention right here. Okay, when I started seeing people talk about it more after this move up, right around here. been lucky with that too. And so some of you guys have listened. You'd be right here right now. If not, then this is probably the next best area. This area of accumulation, this sideways consolidation. Although we could go lower, right? But right now it's kind of holding that. I'd be nibbling, seeing what happens. You know, maybe it does go lower after a week or two, but I don't think it goes too much lower. And eventually it's going much higher. 15.5 million in market cap, 1.6 million in volume agency on Solana. I like it. Nice chart too. Okay. Clear consolidation right now, maybe distribution, maybe it drops a little more, but again, I'd be nibbling because eventually after the consolidation of the drop, it's going to go higher. Okay, and that is it for you guys. I'm giving you some gems. There's going to be a lot more gems. I'll be talking about other projects later this week, like Quant, like Realis, like Alchemist AI, like Tank, Agent Tank. Okay. And then the stock to crypto memes are also starting to look good. Like Coin on base, Clanker is not a stock to crypto meme, AI meme, infrastructure, and Loom also. We're taking a look at all these, okay, later on in the week. Vibe deserves a quick little mention because I'm gonna put that one in too, because Vibe, look at what Vibe is doing. And I've mentioned it to you guys, right? That this is I like this project. 16.4 million market cap right now, 1.3 million in volume, and just a few days ago it was at like 4 million market cap, guys, down here, 0.004 back in this triangle. I've been mentioning it, watching it here. All right, look how much it broke with strength right here. Boom, 2 days only to break out of this area of resistance, which hasn't been able to do it since we lost it, right? Since we lost it on 26th of November. Remember, this is only a month and 22 days old. Okay, this thing's going much higher. Once it breaks past this area right here, 2 cents, it's going way higher. I could see this thing into the 100 millions easy. Vibe cat on Solana, 16.4 million in market cap. Animal memes and cult memes aren't going nowhere. They're also, you know, gonna stay in the cycle, and they're also gonna do really well in the cycle. Not just AI memes. Okay, keep that in mind. All right, cool. That's it. That's all I wanted to bring your attention. Let's see how this closes today. But I'm bullish. I'm thinking we have a bullish week until I see signs. Otherwise, this is an uptrend, and we're gonna follow that trend. Okay, guys, if you can, please like, please subscribe, please leave a comment. Trying to grow this channel. All this stuff really does help. All right. With all that said, hope you guys had a good weekend. I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a good one. Peace.